Hi everyone, thank you and welcome to my final stage of my chicken soup. This is nice and warm. I'm gonna squeeze a little bit of drops of lemon, a little bit of olive oil, just a hint there. So this is virgin olive oil. Just mix it up. As I cooked this one a little bit earlier, so the first stage is cooking. I already got the video out there. And the second stage is kind of skimming all the oil and doing the breading. And this is the final stage, eating it. Wow, it's very delicious, very nice. It's got chicken, it's got a lot of vegetables, and some chicken bone as well. All this was removed and then breaded. And this is the final stage. Very nice, very tasty, very filling, and of course, full of nutrients. I'm loving this. It's very, very, very tasty. And having this, knowing it's gonna support me with my diabetics and food for the day. So thank you very much for seeing my final stage of my chicken soup, and I hope you like it, subscribe, are welcome, and sharing. And thank you. Bye for now, and see you again soon. Beautiful. Cheers.